Today we're going to be replacing these standard halogen light bulbs with some Oxilam LED bulbs. Alright, about a year or so ago, I replaced my headlight assemblies with these new headlight assemblies. I believe I got them off of Amazon. But over the years, these plastic covers become super foggy, and that greatly reduces the amount of visibility that you have from your lights. So that helped a lot. But when it comes to driving at night, you just want all the visibility you can get. Recently, we were coming back from a trip. Some deer ran out on the road, and I was able to swerve and miss one of them, but another one ran into the side of my truck. So I'd been debating getting LED bulbs for our vehicles, and I'm grateful for Oxilam that they sent me some LED bulbs to review. Stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to show you the road test of before and after so you can see the difference. So these are the bulbs I got from Oxilam. They're nicely packaged and they're labeled. Like this is a 9005, I believe. And then these are 9006s. So you know where they go. I'll show you. Right there's the labels. And it comes with gloves to wear while you're replacing them. So this is a 2006 Toyota Sienna, and the bulbs should be pretty accessible without too much problems. I'm gonna go ahead and just take the lid off at least so I can have a little more room here. So there you can see there's one beam and there's the other. So my old bulbs aren't bad, so I'm gonna save them in case I need them for a spare or something down the road. So you should just be able to rotate these and they should just come right out. Wow, that bump on the side probably shouldn't be there. So I don't want to touch the bulb because that will potentially shorten the lifespan. So I just go to the bottom here and there is a little tab you push and then it should be able to pull these right out. So there's one, and this is a 9005. So I got to find that same number on my LED bulbs. Right there's my 9005. They should be a direct fit, so I just snap this right in place and put it back in exactly how I took it out. So there's that one, and we got to get this one out. Snaps right in, and then we got to work it back into place. There we go. This side's done. Moving over to this side. So again, this one was a 9006. And then one behind the windshield washer fluid here. This should be a 9005. Yep. See how those notches, they fit in just a certain way, and then you twist them. Just like that. Ooh, wow. Even in the daytime, I can tell those things are super bright. All right, now for the road test before and after. Well guys, there you go. That's the difference that LED bulbs can make on your vehicle. I'm pretty happy Oxilam sent me these to try out. They're pretty nice. I think it'll make it a lot nicer driving at night. I'll put a link in the description below this video for these bulbs in case you're interested in them. Till next time, good luck with all your projects.